a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a video to become a guest chef on the Fat Chef Restaurant Guide. The first thing you need to do is shoot all your photos and videos horizontal. This is so it will fit the video format. Next, you want to shoot all your ingredients, then a picture of the ingredients, diced, chopped, or sliced. This adds a nice effect. Next, cooking pictures of all ingredients, cooking, sauteing, grilling, or in the oven. Add the ingredients, show the mixing. On this one you have a choice, either a still or a short video, no longer than 5 or 6 seconds. Pictures of adding the ingredients. Make sure you take a picture of seasoning. A final picture of all the cooked ingredients. If you have items that are not cooked, you take pictures of the item and the way it's prepared. If you grow your own herbs, it's a nice touch to take pictures and how to incorporate them in your recipe. Pictures of all finished plates. And of course, the final item. All recipes are different. This is just a guide for the pictures or videos we need to make your guest chef video. We will edit, add voiceovers, and music. You will have the final approval on the video. We want it to be great. If you have any questions, please contact us at fatchefrg@gmail.com.